Empowerment to gain strength for all children. Listen to this daily before bed to boost your abilities. As you listen, imagine growing smarter and stronger each day. Let's erase the effects of stress, anxiety, and other negative feelings. We'll separate you from peers and eliminate weaknesses completely. I'll help you level up, staying focused, balanced, and stable. I'll connect your nervous system with teachers and classmates. I'll link your energy with teachers and classmates both ways. We make all these connections, up and down, down and up, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back and forth, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite possibility. I'll separate all weaknesses from your home, family, parents, and siblings, and will separate them all from each other and from your school, their school too, in all possible combinations. I erase to negative infinity 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's erase traumas from bad experiences, scoldings, hits, falls, feeling judged, criticized, or rejected. We'll erase the energy of hurtful things your parents did, causing insecurity and shame. We erase guilt for feeling unable to help your parents with their own issues. Let's erase the false belief that your parents' problems are your fault. We'll connect and amplify all your successes in school, home, sports, and friendships. We'll do this completely, with infinite potential and time back and forth. We'll strengthen words of validation, connecting them to every particle in your body. Will reinforce your memory of each achievement you've accomplished. You'll feel capable of excellently doing everything you desire. We're going to enhance all of your physical abilities. We'll boost strength, endurance, speed, agility, flexibility, and core coordination. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll also increase your physical potential for all 5 senses. We strengthen your hearing and boost your listening ability. We enhance your eyesight and improve your vision. We strengthen your taste to enjoy and choose healthy foods. We enhance your touch to give and receive affection. We'll erase direct and indirect karmas with those around you. We clear painful memories of hurt, deceit, and exploitation. To 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's enhance your cognitive abilities. We strengthen both brain hemispheres and the central sulcus. We'll remove others' misconceptions about you. We erase old perceptions of your looks, speech, and desires. We'll empower you to see your own beauty and greatness. Strong enough to feel important in life, doing meaningful things that contribute to others' well-being. Let's amplify your achievements, strengthening the energy of your good deeds to expand into every area of your life. Will erase the accumulated effect of your weakening emotions, erasing the energy of all the times you felt sad, tired, angry, or frustrated, erasing all the times you felt misunderstood, unheard, or unloved, erasing all the times you've had parents who didn't love you, or times you were a parent in this life, or others who didn't love their children. Strong to learn new things for pleasure, gaining knowledge daily and enjoying life more. Strong to find interest in every aspect of your life, in everything you do. Strong enough to feel joyful, happy, energetic, and eager to explore the world. Strong enough to think of beautiful, lovely, and pleasant things. Strong enough to use your thoughts' power to focus only on what you want and need. Strong enough to stop wasting time thinking about things you don't want or need. Strong enough to try new things and take risks safely. Strong enough to dare to do different things that are safe for you. Strong enough to excel in everything, putting all your energy and focus into each task. Strong enough to recognize your mistakes. Strong enough to offer and accept apologies. I make you strong enough to make age-appropriate decisions. Strong enough to handle mistakes and take responsibility for your actions. Strong for all options, 100% potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. Strong to develop new social skills every day. Strong to speak confidently, greet others, and express your thoughts. Strong to share your opinion and respect others' views. Strong to progress at your own pace. We boost your sense of growth, strength, and inner power. Strong to have the ultimate power, control over your own thoughts. Strong to work, maintain, and make habits of powerful, positive thinking. Strong to give and receive love affectionately. Strong to value parents, seeing their own growth and self-discovery. Strong to thank parents for all they give, do, and feel for you. Because grateful people always receive more of what they're thankful for. Strong enough to find those who support, listen, believe, and guide you. Strong to bond with someone who makes you feel safe, like parents or grandparents. Strong enough to do things for yourself independently. Strong to be self-reliant, confident, and secure in yourself. Strong even to make mistakes and take responsibility for them. Strong to identify your own strengths and talents. Strong to see you can achieve more each day, advancing further. Strong to discover your true calling and life's mission. Strong to create opportunities for success and feel proud of yourself. Strong to challenge yourself, improving daily at what you do. Strong to have fun, play, and interact with other kids as part of your growth. Let's strengthen your mind to overcome every obstacle you face. Strong enough to adapt to change and trust yourself completely. Resilient to focus on the process, not just the end result. Tough enough to enjoy the journey, not just await the destination. Powerful in valuing who you are and how you think. Confident to see yourself as an extraordinarily beautiful being. Brave to express your feelings and needs appropriately. Self-assured in your skills and abilities. Bold to make mistakes without shame, as everyone does while learning. Empowered to make life choices without seeking others' approval. Courageous to face challenges with smarts, confidence, and daring. Strengthen your mind to solve problems easily, quickly, and efficiently. Be strong in setting boundaries with adults and kids who aren't kind. Be strong enough to say no to things you don't want. Let's erase the need to always be good and obedient. When asked to do something you disagree with, be strong to refuse if needed. Be resilient, adapt to tough situations, and bounce back to happiness quickly. Let's erase self-criticism, negative thoughts, and doubts about your abilities. We'll remove all self-defeating thoughts that limit your potential. Be strong in recognizing all kids have amazing talents waiting to be discovered. Let's erase the tendency to magnify and distort things when you're angry. Let's erase the belief that you're unloved just because people don't do what you want. We'll remove the energy of all aggressive, violent, and insecure thoughts. Let's eliminate the fear of being ridiculed. I'm making you strong, so mockery won't affect you, whether it happens or not. We're erasing pessimism, the feeling that everything will go wrong, that you can't do it. Strong enough to resist peer pressure and others' influence. Confident to show your power and certainty in things you believe in. Resilient to bounce back quickly from challenges and tough situations. Determined to keep growing stronger with each passing day. Proud of yourself without needing others to recognize your greatness. It's enough to acknowledge and praise yourself daily. 100% potential, infinite time. Always at your peak, limitless possibilities. Always think so highly of yourself that no one can top that view. Remember to praise yourself and always strive for more. I assure you, you'll be an exceptional child. Strong to be same, not same, different, not different, change, no change, perception, no perception. We strengthen internal, external dynamics, inner, outer limits and vertices. 100% with infinite potential, all the time with endless time. Let's remove all that hinders you from feeling, seeing, and acting extraordinary. To zero minus infinity, all the time with endless time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram body, mind, and spirit. Well, how do you feel? The same or different?